Hi, this is Steve. We used 3 months to develop a new electric city bus chassis for our South American clients. It's just right side of me. The dimension of this chassis is 12 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 2.3 meters high. The road condition in South America is very critical. How do we meet local and clients' requirements? We use dual motor to reach 25% gradability and 373 kilowatt-hour battery to reach 300 kilometers range. It's enough for daily operation. The floor is designed for a 4-step high floor. The ground clearance is higher than traditional city bus. The approach and departure angle is large to make sure it won't hit the road when going over bump and pothole. In the driver's seat, there's a digital instrument cluster. It can show a lot of information, even batteries, voltage, cells voltage and temperature, system alarm, faults, etc. Knob-style gear switch. Isn't it very unique? I mean, for the bus, it looks like the car style. EPB with auto hold. It can reduce a lot of labor intensity, and the bus driver can chill in the operation. We will ship it by flat rack or Ro-Ro over there. It will take about 30 to 40 days. I believe this platform will be very welcome over there. Thank you for watching. See you next time.